In this video, we'll talk about how to debug ADS Measurement Expression AEL function using Visual Studio Code. First, let's install Visual Studio Code from Microsoft. After installing the Visual Studio Code, search for the AEL application extension in the extension marketplace. Install the AEL extension using the instructions given on the marketplace web page. Next, we'll talk about how to set up the compiler and debug connecting to the ADS data display window. Open ADS2022 Update2 or more above. Open the data display window, which has the function that you want to debug. It's called my_y2_abcd right here. That's the few lines of AEL code returning the ABCD matrix from the Y matrix. Launch the data display command line. Next, load the AEL file which has that expression, the data display, and click the enter key. Once this file is loaded, then attach the Visual Studio Code using this command. Click the enter key. This opens up Visual Studio. Open the URI. It also loads the measurement expression AEL file into the Visual Studio Code. Right there we see the function that we want to debug. Set breakpoint in the function. Next, bring up the data display window and also load the measurement expression AEL file into the Visual Studio Code. Highlight the equation pointing to the data display expression AEL and activate it. Attach to ADS AEL. So this makes a connection between Visual Studio Code and the ADS data display window. Click the run button or continue button, and then again activate the equation that you want to debug, and this breaks in the Visual Studio Code AEL function. From here on, you can debug the AEL code just like any other language in Visual Studio Code. Step through the function and observe the values on the left hand side in the variables section. And as we step through the code, we can see all the values that are being calculated by this function. At this stage, we can continue to debug or click the continue button to execute the complete function and to see the results in the data display window. So the data display window shows the ABCD values that were created. So these are the steps to debug measurement expression AEL function using Visual Studio Code.